Hi, I'm Oliver Jückenhöfel with Airbus in Bremen, Germany. I'm responsible for the European Service Module. The European Service Module, where you see a model behind me, is the powerhouse for Orion. We're also providing air to breathe, water to drink, and storage capability for future crews. These future crews, they will fly to destinations that we have only dreamed about. Today there are more than 250 people in Airbus who are living this dream on a daily basis. And we are supported by many partners in Europe out of more than 8 countries where hundreds more are living this dream. Our next stop will be going to the moon. But before we go to the moon, we first fly a structural test article into the US, into NASA's Glenn Research Center. Thanks for following us and join us on our mission to the stars.